So right now I'm finishing the hydraulic connection. You can see here the pumps is already installed. So right now I'm finished the hydraulic connection. You can see here the pumps is already inside and the motor also inside. I have to connect the hydraulic cylinder here. You can see here's the pipe for the hydraulic connection, and the wheel are already mounted. You can see here. So I have some tools on the chair. You can see there cylinder tools to finish here. You can see here the things there. Okay, see you in the next video.